In this tutorial, we'll learn how to share a semantic model using RPD files in Oracle Analytics Cloud. Semantic model developers share models when they need the same subject area in multiple OAC instances. Exporting and importing create separate copies, which is useful for sharing but not for collaboration, since changes won't sync between instances. In this scenario, I'll export a supply chain semantic model as an RPD file from my OAC instance and share it with my colleague who will import it into their instance. I'll start on my home page. I'll open the navigator and select Semantic Models. I'll find the supply chain model I want to share and open it. Here I can see the details like its subject areas, logical and physical layers, and connections. I'll open the page menu and select Export. I'll keep the name and select Repository Document File, or RPD, as the export type. Now I need to provide a password to protect the file. When I share the export with my colleague, I'll provide them with this password. Finally, I'll select Export. I can monitor the export progress at the bottom of the page. Once it finishes, I'll select Export Successful and choose View Log to check if there are any errors or warnings. Then I'll select Download so I can download the RPD file to my device. Now that I have the file, I'll share with my colleagues so they can import it. This is my colleague's homepage. Now I'll demonstrate what the import process looks like for them. I'll start on the homepage and select Create, then Semantic Model. I'll give the model a name and select Create. On the Create Semantic Model page, I'll select the Import a File option since I'm using an RPD file. I'll find the supply chain model RPD file on my device and select Open. I'll enter the password that was set during the export to unlock the model. Then I'll select Import. When the import finishes, I'll choose OK. A copy of the supply chain semantic model complete with the subject area and model layers is now available in this instance and is ready for new analysis. Now that I've exported the semantic model from my instance and it's been imported to another, my colleague and I have each a copy of the same supply chain subject area, so we can work independently in our own environments. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud in the links below.